So we literally just received this shot blaster and took it off the crate. It's going to a customer here locally in the Seattle area. He's a good customer of ours. He's got our ride-on floor scrapers, our terminators. He's got our four-headed planetary grinders, the Predators, and now he's stepped up and got himself a SPE16E Shotblaster. We're going to be delivering it out later on today, and we're going to run it on the job site. But before we do, I thought I'd just talk really quickly about some of the features that I like about this machine that makes it unique in the industry for sure. One, this machine, unlike almost every machine out there, you do not tow behind you. Most shot blasters, you tow behind you. This machine is like mowing the lawn. So you actually stand behind it. You shoot the floor walking forward. Allows you to get up much closer to the wall. It allows me to be able to keep a close eye on my rows so that I'm hitting as accurately as possible. I think it's really a neat design feature. Another thing that's really nice about the SPE Shotblasters are there are no proprietary parts in there. There's no motherboard to run an electrical drive motor, anything like that could burn up. When you look inside of electrical panel here, you see all breakers and relay switches that are all easily and locally resourced. And so if you were to blow that breaker, you can easily find another one in the Seattle area and replace it. That's really nice. So that way your machine's not down. Another neat thing about this machine is fairly unique, is that it's hydraulically driven. And that makes it really nice. It makes it so you don't actually need those motherboards. It's also true that the hydraulics are really low pressure, and so you don't run risks of leaks. It just basically they don't leak, and it's very easy to drive this machine. You'll notice there are two handles. The left handle drives the left motor, the right handle drives the right motor, and it's as simple as pushing them forward to make the machine go forward. What you'll do though to control your speed is you just open up this valve. The more you open it up, the faster the machine will go. The more you close it, the slower the machine will go. And so in the middle is the neutral position, back is reverse, and of course front is forward. If you want to turn this machine, you literally just leave if you're going to turn to the right, you leave the right motor alone, and then you just push the left forward, and it will go in a nice tight arc. If you want the machine to turn on its axis, push one forward, one back, the machine will spin on its axis. Really nice and easy to control. To actually start the machine, you've got a hydraulic motor, and then you've got the blast motor. You literally flip up on the emergency switch, push the button, it starts the motor running. The blast motor, you do the same thing, push the button, and it starts it running. You got the main on-off switch, and then you've also got your valve for opening and closing your cage. It's got an hour meter and also an amp meter to keep an eye on your amps. Really like this machine. It's really easy to operate and a really aggressive machine. Really hits the floor hard. So let's get out on the job site. Let's run her for a while and see how she does. All right, so we can see that the first project for the SPE 16-inch Shotblaster is the removal of an old epoxy coating and the profiling of the concrete underneath, because the contractor is going to come back with a fresh coating of epoxy afterwards. And you can see the machine is obviously doing a very impressive job at it. And what I really appreciate is when you look at the environment around the machine, that it's completely dust-free. It's removing that floor and not contaminating the air at all with any dust. And the reason for that is if you follow that big 6-inch hose back, in the background you can see the dust extraction system that is designed to work with the 16-inch Shotblaster to do exactly that. And it's doing a really good job at it. And I'll tell you what is really impressive to me is look how fast that machine is able to profile that floor. You know, it's profiling that floor at well over 1,000 square feet an hour. That is really impressive. And you know, the impressive thing as well is the SPE16, that's not our biggest Shotblaster. We've got Shotblasters that are much bigger than that, and we also have a number of Shotblasters that are much smaller than that machine. And so if a contractor is looking to purchase a Shotblaster, then we'd really encourage them to contact a regional sales rep for for Bartell Global, or contact me as the product trainer, and we can have a conversation about what machine would be the best fit for the projects that you have coming up. You know, encourage you as well to always to go to bartellglobal.com. There you see not just a full list of all the shot blasters we manufacture, but a full list of all the machines that we manufacture for surface preparation, like grinders and polishers, shavers and scarifiers. We have a full line of ride-on and walk-behind floor scrapers that remove the old material, as well as a full line of construction equipment that you use in the placement of concrete, the preparation of sites before concrete, equipment related to those types of projects. Encourage you to look at those. And as always, while you're there, click on the Content Hub, and there you'll find a number of videos and blogs that deal with all types of not just shot blast topics, but all types of topics related to surface preparation and site preparation and concrete placement. Encourage you to look at those as well. You know, I hope you found a value with the videos that we put together, because, you know, I really enjoy going out on job sites and filming our equipment at work, because I think it's really critical to get this information out to contractors, so contractors understand what's available and how effective the equipment that we manufacture really is.